Good day. Boeing stock is flying high, and this time it's not just on jet fuel, it's on the back of one of the largest international deals in company history. Shares of Boeing are up again, now trading near $207, fueled by a sweeping new U.S. Qatar agreement inked by President Donald J. Trump that could shift the global aerospace and defense landscape. The headline figure? A staggering $1.2 trillion in total economic exchange, with Boeing squarely at the center. Let's break it down. Qatar Airways has officially signed a deal to purchase up to 210 wide-body aircraft from Boeing, a record-breaking order that includes the largest ever commitment for Boeing's 787 Dreamliners. It's also Qatar Airways' largest aircraft purchase to date. The deal alone is valued at $96 billion, and that's just for the planes. On the engine side, Boeing's long-term partner, GE Aerospace, has locked in its largest wide-body engine purchase ever. Qatar Airways will be taking delivery of over 400 engines, including 60 GE9X engines for the next-gen Boeing 737-9 and 260 GE9X engines for the 787 Dreamliners. That's in addition to a previous commitment for 188 GE9X units, bringing the total to 248. These aren't just numbers, they're lifelines to American manufacturing. According to the White House, the cumulative agreements will pour billions into U.S. production and fulfill the administration's Made in America agenda. Let's also not forget Parsons Corp., which secured 30 projects worth up to $97 billion. Raytheon, now under RTX Corporation, also landed a $1 billion deal with Qatar to supply its cutting-edge FS LIDS counter-drone system, marking the first international sale of this tech. General Atomics is also in the spotlight, signing a $2 billion agreement for its MQ-9B remotely piloted aircraft systems. All of this builds on a broader $38 billion strategic defense investment plan with Qatar, centered around operations at Al Udeid Air Base and future joint capabilities. And if that wasn't enough momentum for Boeing, the company also inked a deal with Avilease, a state-owned Saudi leasing company. Avilease will buy 20 Boeing 737-8 jets with an option for 10 more, its first direct purchase. This ties directly into Saudi Arabia's goal of transforming into a global aviation hub by 2030, targeting 330 million passengers a year. Just last week, Taiwan's China Airlines added to the wave of global interest by ordering 14 Boeing 777X aircraft, another validation of Boeing's long-haul edge. All told, Boeing reported 221 net orders in Q1 and delivered 130 commercial aircraft, with a jaw-dropping backlog of 5,600 planes valued at $460 billion. Now let's take a quick look at the chart. BA stock has been on a tear since its March lows around $130, climbing almost 60% in just 2 months. That's not just a bounce, it's a breakout. Volume is rising, and price has moved above every key resistance level we've tracked this year. From a technical standpoint, this move suggests continued institutional accumulation and bullish momentum. If you're looking for exposure to Boeing and the broader defense sector, ETFs like the iShares U.S Aerospace and Defense ETF, ticker ITA, and the Direction Daily BA Bull 2X shares, ticker BOEU, could offer leveraged plays. So what's next? With a record backlog, surging international demand, and now a flood of geopolitical tailwinds, Boeing's future is looking clearer and brighter than it has in years. This is Robin. Stay tuned for more updates.